Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So today you can see we're inside our low voltage power distribution room, and you can see this is the low voltage electric distribution system we provide for our cement grinding plant. So, as you can see on the back, these are the low voltage control cabinet, and we have the main circuit breaker that usually we adopt Schneider or ABB, and then all the other low voltage components, electric components, we use Schneider of top Chinese brand. So the reliability is ensured. So as you can see, these are the low voltage power distribution cabinet. And also on this side, you can see we have the soft starter, the frequency converters, and all that. So yeah, basically this is the power distribution we provide for the cement grinding plant. And also one thing features about is our boost bars are the top quality, and we can provide the composition test report to you to ensure the quality of the boost bar. So yeah, basically that is our low voltage power distribution system. Thank you guys.